We have now set up a demo account and a sent account. The MetaTrader is basically set up, and now, of course, we want to trade with it. To do that, we first need a version that automates it for us. So let's download the Christmas edition here. I'll copy it and put it in my personal folder in the MT5 folder, which is hidden but can be shown by selecting Show Hidden Files. There is a drive C in it. There are several subfolders in it. Below Program Files, we find MetaTrader 5, and there we have to go to the MQL5 Experts folder. Here we can insert the file and also unzip it directly. This then gives us this folder, and everything is in here. The main components are these two green files. One is the system library, which is compiled and where a large part of the settings for the expert advisor are made under the hood. The other file here can be edited by yourself using the corresponding MQ5 version, and here, for example, you can select the entry. As I said, I prefer the Williams Percent Range Oscillator as an entry signal. If we now click on Experts on the right and select Update, we should already find our demo version. Here you can change the settings. For example, you can increase or decrease the trading risk here. Let's do a first test. To do that, we click on View, Strategy Tester, or press Ctrl and R. We want to do a single test with the system just mentioned. I'm doing Euro-US dollar because that's the most popular currency pair in trading. I'm looking for a period from 2024 to the end of 2024. Let's make it a bit bigger, then we can see here that we can set a delay. I would like to have every tick. My deposit would now be 9,500 euros. My leverage is 1,500. I'll leave out the visual mode for now, because that would take quite a while. And when I click on Start Test, the historical data for the year should now be downloaded. You can also see that here in the journal. And our system is already starting to trade. Let's just let it run. So, and that was it. The display here may look a bit distorted. This was a hefty drawdown. Let's check one of these free robots here. Start a test and the results will look like this. Let's try this one. It makes these beautiful sawtooth lines. But all in all, we now have our system set up to work for automated trading. In the next video, we want to take a look at how such settings work and how you can test and optimize a system like this.